you guys? It's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. And today I just came back from IKEA and I want to add more drawers. I'm adding more drawers to my dresser, so that's what I'm going to be doing today, and that's going to be the video. So let's get right into this video. I have this that I never put up. This one says sing and this one says music, so I'm thinking about putting it over here. I don't know. Alright, so I put it up there. I guess I'm gonna put pictures there. I think I'm gonna put pictures there, but I like that there. My room looks like a mess again. But everything's coming together, even though it's a mess. Yeah, so I have this IKEA to put 2 more shelves on top of this. I don't really need to because I feel like the aesthetic gonna be thrown off, but I need it. You know what I'm saying? The drawers. So I'm gonna build this and we gonna build it together. Let's go. So I added my money picture frame up there, my CJDL book, and the box that I made for him up there for now. And this is how my room is looking so far. My room is getting there. It's taking me a while, but it's getting there. So if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Till next time, bye.